Wagwan, welcome to the channel. I'm Levine, a beginner gardener growing in Zone 9B, Houston, Texas. Pouring down rain again. Let's do a quick go around of the garden. Check on my tomato plants because those hornworms, those hornworms. Yes, so I want to check on my babies, make sure nothing's eating them. Do a quick little go around, check on my potatoes in those grow bags, and that's pretty much it. Come on back in because I have some stuff to do on this porch. It's a hot mess back here. Yeah, I have a lot of cleaning up to do, so I can do that while it's pouring down rain. Let's get into it. I'm at capacity with this water. Whew. I'm loving how these cucumbers look. Nice. Very nice. Quick go around. Okay, let me try to angle. You see this monster right here? You see it? Let me try to hold this thing. You see right there? Yeah. You see how big that is? Look how big that is, eating up my stuff. Look how long it is. Massive. And I have no idea where it's hiding, where they hiding. Because I was just here yesterday. With my face in the plant, trying to see if I find any more of them. I didn't see any. So they're very good at hiding. Very good at hiding. If I didn't come back out here in the rain, I might not have a tomato plant when the rain finally stops. See? So just because it's raining don't mean they stop eating. Ugh. Yeah. Looking to see if I see anything else. My poor tomato plant. He has yet to put on one tomato. These worms are just terrible. They're so good at hiding. Yeah, all this water. Ooh, my roses are loving. Look at this. She's gone wild. I'm going to have to take up my alyssum that I have around the edges. It's pretty much smothering the alyssum at this point. Yeah. I got these out here. My poor gungo plant. I need to put them in one of those size containers. Yeah, and put it in a corner somewhere. Might have to stake it. I don't know yet. Because I'm afraid it's going to break like this. So, since I've got you out here, this is completely full. I can't hold anything else in there. I need to pour some more water in here, so I'll just wait for it to die down a little bit and then pour this in here. It's about, it's not that full. pot is full. So I need to pour that out. And look at my backyard. Yeah, lots of water. From when I harvested my potatoes, they still sit in here because it's been raining ever since. Yeah, lot of water. My poor borage, they look like they died. Too much water. Yeah. So, it looks misty inside my green stalks. Yeah, let me pick that up. Do you hear that? Put this here and try to pick this up. Checking to see how everything's holding up. Check on my rose bush, make sure it's not dead. It still looks green. I'm going to prune these parts. I'm going to prune these little limbs. So I'm hoping this will dry out. Giving it a few days. I might not wait, but we'll see how I feel throughout the day. I might decide to just come on out and dump this in this wheelbarrow. Well, let me put the mosquito dunk in there because I did forget to do it. So let me go grab it. Yeah, under here is filled with mosquitoes, so I'm gonna go now. I'll check on this tomorrow, see how it's doing. This tent's holding up pretty well. I'm surprised it's really dry under here. Yeah, definitely time to pull this tomato plant, regardless of what's on there. Mm. Same for this one. They say it's determinate, so I guess it's finished. Finished producing. So I'm going to just go ahead and let it go. Plant one of the other ones I have in here. Thanks for stopping by. See you next time.